In this video, we explore some answers to this question: how do I start digital marketing? Well, make sure you stay tuned and listen to the next few minutes of this video carefully, because I am going to walk you through the steps you can take which can help you become a digital marketer. So, I suggest that you avoid all distractions and pay attention to what I am going to share with you. Keep watching. Hi, my name is Ashley. If you're new to the channel, please make sure you hit the subscribe button so you get alerted about new videos. Please make sure you give the video a like, because that tells me you find these videos useful. Thank you, so let's get into it. So to begin with, let me tell you what digital marketing is. Digital marketing is an umbrella term that includes any and all of the online strategies that companies use to identify, build and target an audience in the hopes of turning them into customers. Like traditional marketing, digital marketing focuses on promoting and hopefully selling a product or service. Thanks to the rise of smartphones, though, marketing no longer means let's just throw up a billboard. Marketing strategies have evolved because consumers have evolved. That's why digital marketing focuses on how to reach potential customers, where they spend their time online, and in highly targeted and relatable ways. An approach that's often referred to as conversational marketing. That includes anything from social media marketing to paid ads to search engine optimization, SEO, among other techniques. I am now going to tell you about the skills you will need to be a digital marketer. Here we go. So the first skill is the buyer's journey and the sales funnel. On the most basic level, digital marketers need to understand how to attract, engage and delight. This is how the marketing platform HubSpot puts it: consumers to carry them from the "I don't know anything about this brand or product" stage to "I'm all in." This process includes using techniques to better understand your customer personas and user research, and strategies for optimizing the sales process via email marketing, retargeting, and other marketing methods. A sales funnel mirrors the path your prospects take to become a customer. It describes the discrete stages of the customer journey from first touch to closed deal. A sales funnel starts with a large number of potential buyers at the top. Based on certain criteria, this pool of potential buyers is reduced to a fewer number of prospects. Towards the middle of the customer journey, the number of prospects reduces to a handful of opportunities, and after the decision-making stage, the sales process ends with a closed won or closed lost deal. The next is data analysis and data analytics. Digital marketers need numbers to understand whether their various campaigns are working, but more importantly, they need the skills to interpret those numbers in order to adjust their strategies and launch new campaigns. And most importantly, they need to be able to explain that data to other members of their team who may not fully understand the purpose of digital marketing. The next skill is content marketing and content strategy. Content marketers and content strategists specialize in using compelling storytelling to reach new audiences. They do that through blog posts, email campaigns, guides and ebooks, and even other types of media like video and podcasts. Content marketing is a marketing strategy that focuses on creating, publishing and distributing valuable and relevant content online with the purpose of reaching a targeted audience and incentivizing profitable customer action. Ultimately, content marketing is a critical component for long-term sustainable growth. And yet, despite its immense impact, many marketers don't know how to implement a successful content marketing strategy. Make sure your content has a clear, measurable business goal. You might be overwhelmed by the sheer amount of content you can create for your business. Anything from Instagram stories to blog posts and ebooks to podcasts. It's critical every single piece of content you're creating has a clear, measurable business goal in mind, and simply getting views isn't a complete business goal. Take the time to think about how content can serve your overall marketing strategy and create pieces that tie back to that. For instance, let's say you decide you want to lean heavily into a blogging strategy. Simply crafting and publishing content isn't enough. Instead, it's important you identify your target audience and decide how your content can best serve that group. Additionally, you'll want to use analytics to ensure your content is able to reach the right people with the appropriate search intent. Once you identify how to serve your audience, you'll want to ask yourself, how does this tie back to the business? While it's critical you write quality content to grow your audience, it won't attract prospects if it doesn't tie back to your business. Know your audience. Content marketing is all about attracting the right audience, that is, those who are most likely to engage with your brand and buy your products. But you can't write content that attracts the right audience until you know your audience. No need to go out and interview every customer who's ever done business with you, although that could definitely be helpful. Sit down with your team and create a buyer persona, the ideal customer who's best served by your products. You'll want to take into account both psychographic and demographic information and create a buyer persona document that your team can refer to. Knowing your audience helps you create content that speaks to them as they go through the buyer's journey. Understand your buyer's journey. A good content marketer understands that their strategy needs to engage and delight readers at any stage of the buyer's journey. While your content should initially attract new visitors to your business, it should also convince hesitant prospects to purchase and encourage customer retention and long-term brand loyalty. For instance, perhaps some customers are hesitant to purchase your product because they believe you need extensive video knowledge to succeed with it. To help mitigate concerns and aid your sales team, you might create a video campaign to show customers how to use video marketing. If at any point you want to advance your online marketing skills with step-by-step online training with leading industry experts to learn and understand internet marketing, I recommend you click the link under the video now and check out the Internet Business School, the UK's leading internet marketing training company. It will give you all the digital skills, training and knowledge you need to create a profitable online business. Continuously updated content means you'll get cutting-edge digital marketing and soft skills always. If you're interested in that, which I hope you are, click the link in the description box under the video and take a look at it. So back to this video, here we go. The next skill you will need is social media marketing. Most of us use some form of social media every day. Social media marketing involves strategically using a brand's social channels to promote and sell its products. Those strategies might include anything from product promotion to channel-specific giveaways to paid ads. You've probably seen those on Facebook and even in your Instagram stories. Let me tell you some of the benefits of social media marketing. Humanize your business. Social media enables you to turn your business into an active participant in your market. Your profile, posts and interactions with users form an approachable persona that your audience can familiarize and connect with and come to trust. Drive traffic. Between the link in your profile, blog post links in your posts and your ads, social media is a top channel for increasing traffic to your website, where you can convert visitors into customers. Plus, social signals are an indirect SEO factor. Generate leads and customers. You can also generate leads and conversions directly on these platforms through features like Instagram and Facebook shops, direct messaging, call to action buttons on profiles, and appointment booking capabilities. Increase brand awareness. The visual nature of social media platforms allows you to build your visual identity across vast audiences and improve brand awareness. And better brand awareness means better results with all your other campaigns. Build relationships. These platforms open up both direct and indirect lines of communication with your followers through which you can network, gather feedback, hold discussions, and connect directly with individuals. Let me tell you about the essentials of a successful social media marketing strategy. A successful social media marketing strategy will look different for every business, but here are the things they will all have in common. Knowledge of your audience, what platforms they use, when they go on them and why, what content they like and who else they're following, and more. Brand identity, what is the message you want to convey to your audience? How do you want them to feel when viewing your content? Content strategy. While there is a level of spontaneity on social, you'll need a structured content strategy to be able to have a consistent voice and produce quality content regularly. Analytics. Quantifiable insights will inform your strategy, including who you're reaching, the right content to share, the best times to post, and more. Regular activity. Social media is a real-time platform. If you want to use it to grow your business, you need to post regularly, stay on top of engagements with your business, engage back, keep up with trends, and maintain accurate profiles. Inbound approach. Don't use social media to pitch your business. Focus on adding value through useful and interesting content and building up those around you. This in turn will organically promote your business and others will promote it for you. Here is the next skill: search engine optimization, SEO. Brands rely on traffic from search engines like Google and Bing to increase brand awareness and drive new leads. SEO is the process by which brands finesse the content they write to make it as appealing to Google as possible. The better the content, the better the search result for the most part, but there are plenty of nuances, which explains why SEO specialist is a full-time job. Let me give you some more SEO tips. Here we go. Consider on-page SEO, but not everything you publish has to be search-friendly. On-page SEO is the process of optimizing a page on your site with front and back-end components that help you rank higher in search engines. These components include high-quality page content, page titles, headers, meta descriptions, image alt text, structured markup, page URLs, internal linking, and site speed. For this example, let's focus on the copy-oriented elements like high-quality content, page titles, headers, meta descriptions, and image alt text. You should prioritize creating optimized page copy to improve your SERP rankings. What you write should include your target keyword, be contextually relevant to your target keyword, and answer questions your users may have. Ultimately, the goal is to indicate to search engines that you've answered questions a user might have about a query. Another digital marketing skill is paid ads. Paid ads is another umbrella term for buying media placements on various channels to promote your products. This includes social media ads like the sponsored posts you see in your Instagram feed, but also display ads like the ones you see at the top of search results in Google. The next one is general tech skills. It also helps for digital marketers to acquire some tech skills as well, especially since many digital marketing companies require working with a web development team. Let me now tell you about the marketing tools you should know how to use. Here we go. Analytics. Some companies use HubSpot, others Google Analytics, and there are plenty of other lesser known platforms to track site traffic as well. Still, learning your way around Google Analytics is a great place to start if you're new to digital marketing. GA offers free classes, plus it's easy to install on your own portfolio website and learn by doing. Email marketing platforms. MailChimp, ConvertKit, Constant Contact. These are multiple tools that offer similar features. If you're working in digital marketing, the chances are you'll wind up using any one of them. So learn the ins and outs of at least one of these platforms ASAP. There's a free version of MailChimp for you to play around with. Social media management. Different companies use different social media scheduling tools. Some of the more well-known ones are Hootsuite, Buffer, and Sprout Social. Most offer free trials so you can see how they work by scheduling some mock campaigns. Let me ask you a question. Which tip from this video are you going to use first? Leave a comment under the video and let me know. So the things that I have covered in this tutorial will help you start digital marketing. If you want more help with internet marketing with step-by-step training with leading industry experts to learn and understand digital marketing, go and click the link under the video now and visit the Internet Business School, the UK's leading internet marketing training company. It will give you all the training, skills and knowledge you need to create a profitable online business. Continuously updated content means you'll get cutting-edge digital marketing and soft skills always. If you're interested in that, which I hope you are, just click the link in the description box under the video now and take a look at it. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and please give the video a like. If you have any questions, leave a comment under the video below and I will follow up with you. Thanks for watching.